SpaceX, the private space exploration company founded by Elon Musk, has been developing Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft system. Starship represents humanity's next giant leap in space exploration. It is designed to transport both crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The recent test flight, although ending in a dramatic failure, was a crucial step towards realizing this ambitious goal. These tests provide valuable data and insights. This data helps refine the technology and bring us closer to making life multiplanetary. SpaceX envisions Starship as a game-changer for space travel. It aims to make spaceflight more affordable and accessible. Imagine a future where traveling to Mars is no longer a distant dream but a tangible reality. This vision has captivated the world. It has sparked immense interest and excitement among space enthusiasts and the general public alike. The test flight aimed to gather crucial data on the spacecraft's performance during launch, ascent, and separation. It was also meant to test the reusability of the Super Heavy booster. SpaceX has made history with its Falcon 9 reusable rockets. The company aims to replicate this success with Starship, further revolutionizing space travel. The ultimate goal is to make space exploration more sustainable and cost-effective. This test flight was the 7th attempt to reach orbit. Previous tests have experienced both successes and setbacks. Each test provides valuable lessons. These lessons contribute to the iterative development process of Starship. SpaceX learns from each attempt, pushing the boundaries of space technology with each launch. This approach is characteristic of SpaceX's philosophy. On January 17, 2025 at 5:38 p.m. local time, Starship roared into the sky from SpaceX's Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. The sheer power of the Super Heavy booster, equipped with 33 Raptor engines, was a sight to behold. It generated over 16 million pounds of thrust, propelling the spacecraft skyward with incredible force. The launch was a spectacle of engineering marvel, captivating millions worldwide who watched the event unfold via live stream. The first few minutes of the flight proceeded as planned. The Super Heavy booster performed flawlessly, carrying Starship to an altitude of approximately 40 kilometers. During this phase, the spacecraft underwent a series of planned maneuvers, testing its aerodynamic capabilities and control systems. Data gathered during this phase will be crucial for refining the spacecraft's design and performance for future missions. Approximately 4 minutes into the flight, the critical moment of stage separation arrived. The Super Heavy booster successfully detached from Starship, marking a significant achievement for the mission. The booster then began its descent back to Earth, aiming for a controlled landing at the launch site. This successful separation and booster recovery were met with cheers and applause from the SpaceX team. However, as the Starship upper stage continued its ascent, an anomaly occurred. The live feed showed the spacecraft beginning to tumble, indicating a loss of control. Communication with the spacecraft was lost shortly after, confirming the severity of the situation. Despite the successful launch and booster recovery, the Starship upper stage experienced a critical failure approximately 8 minutes into the flight. This led to what SpaceX refers to as a rapid, unscheduled disassembly, or in simpler terms, the spacecraft broke apart. Preliminary analysis suggests a potential oxygen fuel leak in the cavity above the ship engine firewall. This leak caused a pressure buildup beyond the vent capacity, ultimately leading to the structural failure. This incident highlights the inherent risks associated with space exploration, and the complexities of developing and testing cutting-edge technology. It's important to remember that setbacks are an inevitable part of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The data gathered from this failure, however tragic, will be invaluable for SpaceX engineers. They will meticulously analyze the telemetry and debris to pinpoint the exact cause of the anomaly. This will inform design modifications and safety enhancements for future Starship iterations. SpaceX has always maintained transparency throughout its testing program. They openly share both successes and failures with the public. This approach has garnered respect and admiration from the space community and the public alike. It demonstrates a commitment to learning from mistakes and continuously improving the technology. The FAA, responsible for ensuring the safety of commercial space launches, is working with SpaceX to investigate the incident. This collaboration is standard procedure following any launch anomaly and ensures adherence to safety regulations and protocols. The investigation will focus on identifying the root cause of the failure and implementing any necessary corrective actions. The road ahead for SpaceX and the Starship program is one filled with perseverance and progress. Despite the setbacks, SpaceX remains undeterred in its mission to revolutionize space travel. Each test, whether a success or failure, brings invaluable lessons that drive the iterative development process forward. The company is committed to refining the Starship design, enhancing safety measures, and ensuring future missions are increasingly successful. The vision of making life multiplanetary is a bold and challenging one, but SpaceX's tenacity and innovative spirit continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we look to the future, the excitement and anticipation surrounding the Starship program remain high. The journey to Mars and beyond is a marathon, not a sprint. With each step, SpaceX brings us closer to a new era of space exploration, one where humanity's reach extends far beyond our home planet.